In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make place cards with Microsoft Word. Place cards are perfect for weddings, parties, events, or any occasion where you want to assign seats or create a personal touch for your guests. Microsoft Word provides simple tools and templates that allow you to design and print professional-looking place cards quickly and easily. To begin, open Microsoft Word. The easiest way to get started is by using a built-in template. Click on File, then select New. In the search bar, type Place Cards and press Enter. Word will display a selection of ready-made templates. Browse through the options and select one that fits your event style, then click Create. The template will open as a new document with pre-formatted cards that you can customize. If you prefer to create place cards from scratch, you can use a table layout. Go to the Insert tab and select Table. Choose a 2x2 or 3x1 table depending on the size and number of cards you want per page. Each cell in the table will represent an individual place card. Adjust the cell size by right-clicking on the table, selecting Table Properties, and entering the desired width and height for your cards. This ensures that each card has consistent dimensions. Next, design your place cards. Click inside each cell or template card and type your guests' names. You can change the font style, size, and color to match your event's theme. To add decorative elements, go to the Insert tab and include shapes, images, or icons. Align your text and graphics so that each card looks balanced and visually appealing. Make sure that all content stays within the card boundaries to avoid any cutting issues when printing. Before printing, preview your layout by going to File and selecting Print. Consider printing a test page on plain paper first to check the alignment and spacing. Once everything looks correct, load your cardstock or specialty paper into your printer and print your place cards. After printing, cut them along the borders if necessary and fold them if you're using tent-style cards. Creating place cards in Microsoft Word is a simple and customizable way to add a professional and personal touch to your event. You can reuse templates or table layouts for future occasions and easily adjust names or designs. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.